Who will stand in this war against the beast? I am here to make my stand against the Dajjal. Do not be afraid. I am not talking about using the weapons of the earth. They have no value to me, for they belong to the wicked and immoral. The weapons I fight with are spiritual. Listen, I have come to my full development stage. Listen, you Dajjal, I am here to pierce your mind and heart and turn your own dwelling place against you. I am not alone, I have the assembly of God with me. They too will take part in this war against the beast, Dajjal. It is truth that will prevail. Your crimes against the children of God will be made known. Your lies, your deceit, and your murdering will come to an end. Your sorcery will be no more. The almighty judgment will come against you by the hand of the Lord. You know who the Dajjal is, for he is a system of a man pretending to carry the keys of heaven. They have the people calling them Father, yet we know that we have one Father who is in heaven, and we call him Abba, Father. This is the Dajjal that rides on the European dragon beast and her thrones. Now her judgment will come to an end and righteousness will prevail. Follow the spirit of Yeshua, justice and righteousness will triumph. And those who do not do the will of our Father in heaven will come to an end, for their ways will be exposed by the light. The light proceeds over darkness. As it is written in Scripture, the righteous shall inherit the earth.
وَلَقَدْ كَتَبْنَا فِي الزَّبُورِ مِنْ بَعْدِ الذِّكْرِ أَنَّ الْأَرْضَ يَرِثُهَا عِبَادِيَ الصَّالِحُونَ.
And we have already written in the Zabur, after the reminder, that the earth shall be inherited by my righteous servants. Qur'an 21.
Grace and peace Trey Knowles. Peace and Trey Knowles.